Welcome to the YouTube channel of IMS Kanpur. Today we will discuss how to solve Kakuro puzzle. अगर आप कैट की तैयारी शुरू कर रहे हैं, यू आर बिगिनर फॉर कैट प्रेप, और आपको लगता है कि एलआर और डीआई काफ़ी चैलेंजिंग है, तो वन ऑफ द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और फर्स्ट इनिशिएटिव दैट यू कैन टेक इज टू लर्न हाउ टू सॉल्व ककूरो पजल. ककूरो पजल काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर सकता है आपकी कैट प्रेप की जर्नी में. So first we will discuss what important role Kakuro puzzle is going to play in your CAT prep. What are the benefits that you can get by solving Kakuro puzzle? And especially जब आप foundation stage में, when you are in the beginning stage of CAT prep, I think this can play a very very important role. So let's understand what are the benefits. First one is, obviously by solving Kakuro puzzle, it strengthens your logical reasoning skills like deduction. आप कैसे एक इंफॉर्मेशन से सेकेंड इंफॉर्मेशन को कंक्लूड कर सकते हो. सेकेंड इज टीचर्स हाउ टू एलिमिनेट पॉसिबिलिटीज, बिकॉज कैट के एग्जाम में बहुत सारे ऐसे एलआरडीआई के सेट्स आएंगे वेयर यू हैव टू मेक मल्टीपल केसेस एंड स्लोली हैव टू एलिमिनेट सम ऑफ देम. सो बाय सॉल्विंग ककूरो पजल यू स्ट्रेंथन दिस एबिलिटी एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज वेरी वेरी कोर स्किल फॉर कैट. सेकेंड इज इट इम्प्रूव योर नंबर सेंस. कैट में बहुत सारे एलआरडीआई के पजल्स अरिथमेटिक रीजनिंग बेस्ड होते हैं या जहां पर अरिथमेटिक के कॉन्सेप्ट्स यूज होते हैं. सो इफ यू हैव सॉल्व्ड एनफ नंबर ऑफ ककूरो पजल, इट इम्प्रूव्स योर नंबर सेंस. मोरओवर इट आल्सो हेल्प्स यू टू डेवलप योर मेंटल अरिथमेटिक. बहुत सारे ऐसे केसलेट बेस्ड सेट्स आते हैं कैट में जहां अरिथमेटिक का यूज होता है, लाइक एवरेजेस बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, नंबर बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. सो इफ यू सॉल्व ककूरो, those sets can be easily cracked. Third benefit is it enhances your constraint handling. The reasoning is all about where a lot of conditions will be given, and these conditions are a kind of constraint. And if you make any wrong assumption, then definitely you can get the entire set wrong, and that is what often happen with a lot of students. So it teaches you to work systematically and how to avoid random guessing rather than become more logical. Next benefit is, and this is something that is very very crucial for your high performance in DLR. Obviously, next is it builds your patience as well as focus, because you learn how to pay attention to each and every smallest and minute details. Also, you can build sustained concentration and you can remain calm under tense situation. And this is what is very, very much needed in solving DLR sets. Next benefit is obviously structured thinking. CAT sets are all about how methodical and how organized and how structured you are in terms of thinking process. So you start and build step by step solution, and this is what the ideal CAT approach is all about. And last but not the least benefit is it boosts your speed as well as your accuracy also. So like if you're solving a lot of Kakuro puzzle, you naturally become a good number solvers, and a lot of obvious combinations are very much visible. Like for example, if you have to break 17 into two numbers, then you know that obvious combination has to be 9 plus 8. And it also helps you to reduce your calculation time plus increase your confidence, and this is what maybe a 99 percentiler plus gets in. So let's get going. Let's look at how to solve the Kakuro puzzle. So here comes, so before solving, let's try to understand rules, like what are the important rules that are there in solving the Kakuro puzzle. So you can see there are certain boxes that are given. Certain gray color boxes are there and certain white color boxes are there. Like these are gray boxes, and every box is divided to two parts. Now here this number is written. Now if you look at below this number, there are two white boxes. So it means you have to choose two numbers in such a way that both these numbers add to 11, and moreover no number should come twice in the same row or same column. Like in front of this 11, like for example 8, if you look at this horizontal row, this 8, we have to fill two numbers in such a way that sum of these two numbers should be equal to 8, and you can't take 4 plus 4, otherwise the number gets repeated. Similarly, in front of 24, in this particular row in front of 24, you can see there are three white boxes. So you have to fill, or you have to break 24 into three numbers such that there is no number gets repeated. Moreover, all these numbers have to be a single digit number. Like you can't choose a number that is 10, 11, 12 or 13. You have to choose all the numbers from 1 to 9. So all the numbers has to be a single digit number. That is the first condition. Second condition is in front of like row or column, if a number is written, then see how many empty white boxes are there. So you have to break this 11 into two part. Similarly, here you have to break this 23 into three part. Here 24 needs to break broken in three part. Here you can say in horizontally 18 must be broken in three part. And in these part, no numbers should come twice. So that is what is all about Kakuro puzzle. So now let's try to, solve this puzzle. So let's get going. So now the obvious challenge is where to begin, from where to start. If you can start it rightly, then solving question will become, that is what structured approach is all about. So if you can figure out where to start, it will make our job easy. So you have to observe first, like 11 has to be broken in two parts. So maybe this can be done by 9 plus 2, 8 plus 3. So there are multiple combinations. So figure out a number where fixed solution is there. Like for example, if there is 3, then you can break 3 into 1 plus 2. There is only one combination that is possible. If 17 has to be broken into two parts, then obviously 9 plus 8. And I can see my beginning is like in this number is 17 and you can see there are two white boxes. तो what numbers we can fill? One has to be 8 and one has to be 9. अब लेकिन ये क्लियर नहीं कि 8 यहाँ ले 9 यहाँ ले, but you can see this number is 9. So you can't take 9 over here because if you take 9, you have to take 0 over here. So that will violate your condition. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? You are left with only one case. 9 has to come over here and 8 will come over here. और अगर आपने 8 यहाँ ले लिया है, so obviously this number is 9. So this has to be 8 plus 1. I hope this is clear. अब यहाँ पर जो नंबर हमें मिल गया, so I'll look at this 18. Now out of this 18, this number is 1. So these two boxes should be equal to 17. Now 17 is again 9 and 8. अब आप 9 और 8 में से you can't take 9 over here because already in this column 9 is there. So you will take 8. And if this 8 comes over here, you take this 9. Now you make 24. So 8 plus 9 is already there. So you can make this number to be 7 because now you should remember if you want to break 24 into 3 parts, there has to be an obvious combination that is 9 plus 8 plus 7. So this part is done. Similarly, look at this 24 has to be broken into 3 parts and already we know that 24 can be broken into 3 parts by only one way, that is 9 plus 8 plus 7. Now 7 has been already taken. You can't take 9 over here because already in this column 9 is already present. So I'll take 8 over here and this will become 9. Now if this number is 9, this number has to be 2. Why? Because sum of these two numbers has to be equal to 11. Now this is 2, this has to be 6. Now you can cross check. Now this 23, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 9, this becomes 23. So now your Kakuro is done. That's it. So it's a good way to break the number. It teaches you how to break like 17, how to break 10. Now there could be multiple cases. Like for example, you want to break 11 into 2 parts. तो बहुत सारे केसेस हो सकते हैं, लाइक 9 plus 2 भी हो सकता है, इट कुड बी 8 plus 3, इट कुड बी 7 plus 4, इट कुड बी 6 plus 5. अब इनमें से कौन सा कॉम्बिनेशन सही है, दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव टू फिगर आउट. इसलिए हमारा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट काकुरो में ऐसा होना चाहिए जहां ये कॉम्बिनेशन शायद फिक्स्ड हो, एंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर पजल आवर स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट हैज टू बी दिस. तो यही चीज हमें कैट में भी लर्न करनी है. इफ यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ए कंडीशन that can give you fixed scenario, like moving from certain to uncertain. In the beginning, don't make all the cases कि चलो यहाँ 8 plus 3 भी ले लेते हैं, 7 plus 4, and you get into trial mode. That is going to be very, very challenging. So figure out what could be the best beginning of a question. If you can do that, तो फिर अगर आपने beginning सही से ले ली, तो 50% job is done because it is clearly said that if you can start well, then there is chances that you will end well. So this is the first puzzle of Kakuro. Let's move to one more puzzle so that you can, and then later on you can solve more and more Kakuro puzzle. So let's start from this puzzle. अब क्या आपको कोई obvious point दिख रहा है? अगर आप ध्यान से पूरी puzzle को observe करो, so I think I could see 3 over here. Yes, 3 means 1 plus 2. Now, can we take 1 over here? I can't take. Why? Because अभी को यहाँ पर 2 cases थे, 1, 2, or you can say 2 or 1. Now, how we can eliminate this 1? अगर हम यहाँ 1 लेंगे तो these two numbers should make it to 18. And 18 का एक ही possibility हो सकता है single digit में, that is 9 plus 9. But you can't have that repetition. और इसीलिए यहाँ पर 1 नहीं आ सकता. तो यहाँ पर क्या आएगा 2. And if you have taken 2 over here, then this number will become 1. Yes or no? So now that is we are very clear. Now imagine this 7. 7 has to be broken into 3 parts. To think about, and already we have got 1. So we are left with 6. 6 को क्या कर सकते हैं? 4 plus 2. I can't take 5 plus 1, otherwise 1 will get repeated. So यहाँ पर दो नंबर कौन कौन से आने हैं? 4 and 2. Now again we are not very sure कहाँ 4 आएगा और कहाँ पर 2 आएगा. But क्या हम यहाँ ले सकते हैं 8 and 9 में something like that? Let's try to see. If I take 9 over here, let's take 14 के नीचे, if I take 9, then these three numbers should be equal to 5. No, that is not possible. If you take three natural numbers that are not repeating, then the minimum sum has to be 6. It cannot be 5. You're getting my point? If I take, let's take, I'll repeat it again. If I take 9 over here, क्योंकि यहाँ दो chances थे, either you take 9 or 8. अब आपने अगर 9 लिया, तो these 3 boxes should add up to 5. अब 3 boxes का sum तो 5 हो ही नहीं सकता till the time repetition allowed है, then definitely it can happen like 1 plus 1 plus 3 or 2 plus 2 plus 1. But if repetition is not allowed, then this is not possible. So with that logic, I can clearly say I can't take 8 over here. So I have to take 8, I can't take 9. Now if you have taken 8 over there, 9 यहाँ पर हो जाएगा. So now you can say these 3 horizontal boxes make to 19. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 2, 19. अब यहाँ पर in these 3 numbers का summation कितना है? 6. So you have to take either 1, 2 or 3. अब फिर से सोचते हैं. I can't take 1 over here because in this row already 1 is there. I can't take 1 over here by the same logic, because if I take 1 over here, these two numbers should add up to 18. Again, that is not possible. तो 1 यहाँ पर भी नहीं ले सकते, तो obviously 1 will come over here. Right? Now you have already taken 1, तो यहाँ पर 1 हमें clear हो गया. Now यहाँ पर हमें क्या लेना होगा? 2 and 3. Now can I take 3 over here? No. If I take 3, then this number will also become 3. Repetition possible नहीं है, तो इसलिए क्या होगा? 2. Now if this is 2, this number will become 3. And if you have taken this number 2, to make it 7, you have to take this 4. So now we know that these boxes are filled. अब इन दोनों नंबर का समेशन हमें क्या लेना है? 16. 16 क्या हो सकता है? Either 9 plus 7 or 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 possible नहीं, so you will take 9 plus 7. अब देखो क्या हो सकता है, हम कहाँ 9 ले सकते हैं, कहाँ 7 ले सकते हैं, ये हमें चेक करना है. Now let's look at one by one. Can I take 9 over here? Let's see. If you take 9, if you take 7 over here, तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? 9 plus 4, 13, 7, 20, you get 3. Fair enough. And if you take 1 plus 3, you can take 4. It makes. So this case is valid. Perfectly all right. But आप कहोगे क्या? Can we take 7 over here? Let's try to do that. If you take 7 over here, you take 6 or 6. तो यहाँ हो नहीं सकते, 6 plus 1 plus 1. Repeat हो जाएगा. So now you know that this 7 is not possible. तो देखो ये क्या सिखा रहा है हमें? कई सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज को हमें एनालाइज करना पड़ रहा है, और फिर उसमें से कुछ पॉसिबिलिटीज एलिमिनेट हो रही हैं और कुछ पॉसिबिलिटीज बन रही हैं. दिस इज द स्किल दैट इज नीडेड इन कैट. वन इज हाउ वेल यू कैन ब्रेक योर नंबर्स, दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड इज पॉसिबिलिटीज जनरेट करना, और फिर एक एक पॉसिबिलिटीज को इवेलुएट करना एंड देन सी कौन सी पॉसिबिलिटी सारी कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, उसको हम रखेंगे, और जो हमारी पॉसिबिलिटीज को सारे कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा, दैट पॉसिबिलिटी हैज टू बी एलिमिनेटेड. नाउ दैट इज वेयर Kakuro puzzle is going to play a very very crucial role in CAT prep. So guys, I would recommend to solve as many Kakuro puzzle, at least week में एक बार एक Kakuro puzzle solve करोगे. So till CAT you'll be able to solve some 50-60 Kakuro puzzle, and this will give you good sense of breaking these numbers. और बहुत सारी ऐसी puzzles हैं, when we'll take some real set of CAT, then you will realize that these skills are getting used in those CAT set. So happy prepping. That's it for today.